Wait for him. Wait for him.
Mama, what kind of name is that though?
It's in Icelandic.
Oh, cool.
It's in Icelandic.
Yes, the name of the volcano in Iceland is in Icelandic. That's yeah.
Ah, yes.
Where's that? Where's that? It's Italy. Where's Italy? Where's Italy? There. I didn't get. Why is there one already marked on Italy? I got.
And we're only.
If I put those two like above the door, it's already got.
Okay, can you find Martinique on the map?
No. Indonesia.
Can you what continents are near Martinique on the map? Yeah, so this is South America, isn't it? So where's Martinique? Can you is it above South America or below South America?
Wait, where's South America?